8.
वो थोड़ा 10 दो अपने।
So
And how old are you right now?
right now, oh my God, I'm very old.
What age? 85?
I'm 6 now.
No!
I am. I'm in first grade. So anybody wants to learn this instrument? You want to practice instrument and feel it? Yeah? Who want to see this instrument? One by one.
आज बात ही करेंगे पहले
Okay.
तुझे अपने बारे थोड़ा दस दो।
So when I was 8, my dad wants me to learn this instrument. So he went outside and he looked for mandolin. So where he can buy a mandolin. So he saw somewhere that somebody was selling a mandolin. That time it was like for $2 in India, just $2. So he bought it for me, and he brought it for me, and I started learning. So after that, it was when you started, it is a little bit hard, but if you don't stop learning and keep learning for so many years, then you can play like this.
I don't want to do that.
Why? It is good.
It's
It's not that hard. If you keep learning,
Keep practicing.
yeah, keep practicing
Keep
every day.
practicing.
Oh, yeah.
Did you have a mandolin teacher here?
Mandolin teacher here in America, I don't know. I don't think so. But there are very few people who play Indian classical music on mandolin. I was playing Indian classical music on mandolin, so there are very few people who play that.
So you taught yourself.
No, there was a teacher in my city when I started. So he just knew some techniques of mandolin. He taught me all the techniques. After that, he used to sing all the rags. So I used to copy his singing on my mandolin. Okay?
Any question? One more question? Yes. What's your question, Hanji?
Very old. I have white here too. But yeah, I'm old. Very old. 29.
29. Guys, he has played mandolin with one of the top singers and musicians of India. Those people. Look. So he is really very talented. He practices a lot. This is his passion. So what we really would like, what we wanted was to show you that being a Sardar, a full-fledged Sardar, Guru ka Sikh, and he is so much into music, and because he's doing so good in his music, people like to see him playing in various parts of the country. And what happens? Even at the White House. Even at the White House. So what happens? Hello, if a Sardar guy or a Sardarni plays something or does something good, what happens is that only good for him or good for somebody else? Who is that? The community. So it benefits if each one of you does something excellent, then everybody thinks, oh, the Sikhs are really good. Right? So that's the whole point of why we wanted to bring him here, to show that you can be a full-fledged Sardar and you will be well respected in whatever field you go into. But you have to be excellent. You have to work hard, yes?
How did he get into White House?
How did he get into? They opened the door and he got it.
He's gonna try
recognizing the Guru Nanak's Gurpurab, the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And Gaganveer Ji has been in communication with me for last 2 years. And so I saw his videos and I thought he was excellent. So we invited him to come and play at Guru Nanak Dev Ji Gurpurab at the White House. Yes? How many places?
Like so many.
How many?
All over India, I played in all of the cities, maximum all the cities. And here in America, like I played in Los Angeles, New York, Portland, Seattle, here Washington DC.
And beta, in India, there is a highest award which is given to only very few people, young people who are masters of music. So, tusi das do for other kid.
Yeah, that's called Surmani. So they just like when you play something good music on your instrument. So you have to record a video of you and you have to send it to the great masters who are very on the top level of music. They judge it, they look at that, they listen to the music. After that, they choose 2 or 3 people from all over the India. They call them to Mumbai, Bombay, and after that, they sit in front row and they want us to play. So we have to play for 8 minutes in front of them. So after that, they decide if they want to give that award to you or not. So if they give the award, so they gave me the award after listening to me. 8 minutes, they gave me an award. After that, whoever received the awards, they have to perform in front of so many people in big auditorium. So I did all that.
Really?
Alright.
Oh, are you serious?
ठीक है जी, बड़े बच्चे वाला कोई क्वेश्चन है? Anybody? Yeah? He's been playing since he was 8.
So what are you doing now?
So,
Are you teaching?
Yeah.
You take classes now. What is your
Teacher.
what do you do?
Like, Vesta, I work for T-Mobile. I'm an engineer there. Like, and I play music, I practice every day, I perform every weekend. वैसे मैं teach नहीं कर रहा, मेरा time सारा practice में ही होता है. लेकिन if somebody wants to learn, I can try.
I have encouraged Deji to maybe start classes on Skype or on the net, so you know.
A YouTube channel.
Yeah, YouTube channel. So, Aji beta, last question. Where did you
You
get?
can buy it here in guitars and
ठीक है जी